Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a chocolate cake. And in this bowl I have 2 cups of flour, 1 3/4 of sugar, and 1 1/2 of baking soda. You will need a pan like this, a bundt pan. And make sure you butter it and you flour it. As you can see, I already did my pan. Our next step is to add in the stove, in the pot, is 1/3 of cocoa, a teaspoon of salt, 2 butters, and 1 cup of water. Your 2 sticks of butter, make sure they melt. Add your water, your cocoa powder, your salt, and now we just stir and melt. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes, so you have to be watching it. So now you see how the butter melted. So now we just have to wait a little bit more for it can boil. And once it boils, you trim it off and we go to the next step. As you can see, it's starting to boil. Just stir it. Okay, so it's done. Now we're going to the next step. So now we're going to add it to our batter, a little at a time. So you want to be able to use one of these, like half a cup, and make a little hole in the middle, and you stir it and stir it, and you're gonna know because the flour it starts getting like a little hard, so you add more to your flour, your batter. You keep adding it little at a time because you don't want it to not work if you don't add a little at a time. You don't want to add the whole thing. You want to add a little bit at a time. And it's okay if it looks like this, you know, as you're going, it's gonna get better. So then I'm gonna add the last of it. So I'm just going to pour it in and mix it very well. Mix it and mix it until it becomes like a cake batter. So now we're gonna add our eggs one at a time. And you want it to look like this when it's in there, so you can press on the egg yolk and just stir it in. Stir, stir, stir until all the yellow disappears. Then you add the next one. Remember, you just have to press on the yolk. Stir in the yolk very well. Stir, stir. Next step is going to be our sour cream and our vanilla extract. So I'm going to add in the one half of sour cream into my batter. Mixing it. And my 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mixing it very well. Okay, there you have it. So now we're going to add it to our bundt pan. And we're going to put it in the oven, preheat the oven at 350 for 55 minutes. And use a toothpick to make sure that it's done. Okay guys, so I just took it out of the oven, so let's see. Oh wow, perfect. It looks nice. So then, now we're going to go to our next step, which is half a cup of whipping cream. You can either use dark chocolate or white chocolate to make, we're gonna make the frosting for the cake. So I added the chocolate, so now I'm just gonna add the whipping cream and melt it. So we're gonna stir it. It'll melt on its own, but it's already melting, you guys can see. You gotta keep stirring until it's all melted. And just frost it however you want, and you can put as much chocolate that you want. Drizzle white chocolate if you like, or whatever you want to drizzle on here. But I like it to have some chocolate in there. White or black, whatever color you want to put, red, blue, whatever color. Okay, so now we're going to cut the cake.
Oh my God.
Look at that, guys. Now, we're going to have Ava taste it. Is it good? Thumbs up? Yeah?
It is really good.
Thank you for watching.
Hey!
No, it's not you gonna do
Let's
it.
start over. Let's start
Okay,
over.
okay.
Stop. Stop.
Okay, make sure you look right here, okay?
Okay.
I can never
Hi
do
guys.
this
This is our cake.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate it.
We appreciate
Give us a
it.
thumbs up and subscribe.
I hope the cake tastes good, guys. You're gonna like it. I'll see you on my next channel. You're gonna come to my grandma's house and you're gonna like it.
Thank you.
I hope you click the like button. If you like the cake, just subscribe in the channel. I hope you.
Thank you.
In the video.
Bye.